In a post-apocalyptic world, what is the key to survival? It's not just canned food and rocket launchers, but survival groups. Think about it. Cooperation, pooling varied skills, managing resources together. These are vital. Survival is not a solo endeavor, it is a group effort. A survival group is as strong as its weakest member. This truth underpins the essence of survival group formation, the bedrock of enduring any apocalyptic scenario. Let's dive into the priority-based list of group formation. At the top of the list is diversity in skills. A group where everyone is an expert hunter but lacks medical knowledge is as good as doomed. Therefore, it is crucial to have a balance of skills, from medical expertise to hunting and gathering capabilities, and even defense tactics. Next, let's not underestimate the power of clear communication. In times of chaos, a group that can communicate effectively stands a better chance at survival. It allows for swift decision-making and ensures everyone is on the same page. Finally, strong leadership is the backbone of any survival group. A leader who can take decisive action, maintain morale, and ensure the group stays focused on survival is invaluable. Remember, a well-rounded group increases the chances of survival. Forming a survival group is not a matter of chance, but of careful planning. The foundation of any successful survival group is trust. Without it, the group dynamic crumbles under pressure. It's vital that each member is committed to a shared vision of survival, working together to overcome any adversity. Flexibility is another crucial element. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances can mean the difference between life and death. And let's not forget the importance of ongoing training and preparedness. Ensuring that every member is equipped with essential survival skills is a non-negotiable priority. In the face of apocalypse, survival depends on the strength of your group.